Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be making a Among Us character inside of Blender. So first off, you are going to be needing a reference image of a Among Us character. I just looked up one on Google to find one. I just downloaded it and yep. So first off, let's go and open up Blender. Let's delete all the stuff and add a image reference. Let's go to desktop and pull in your reference image. Let's Alt R to rotate it, and then there you go. So you give your little character up. I'm going to turn on my screencast keys. So in the bottom right, you have all this little stuff. Let's undo all of that. Cool. So set cursor to world origin and add a sphere. So you're also going to need to go to preferences, add-ons, and in add-ons you can see you have loop tools to make sure that is enabled. So let's put this over here, scale it down a bit. There. Let's select this edge, V and L to drag this up to the top. There you go. Select and select. Loop tools or W, loop tools, bridge. Just remember, if I am going too fast, you can just see the keys in the bottom right corner. So yep. So let's go back to bridge, and I don't know, it's different every time. You just have to mess around with it till it's straight. Cool. So now we got this little bean character. So I actually like making the
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick, boy. That's a thick ass boy. Damn.
this a bit wider. So, yep. And then let's add a cylinder, add a mirror modifier. Select the beam. No, we select this. Scale this up. Okay, scale shift Z. Scale. Okay, cool, that looks nice. Drag this up a bit, and Control B, and scroll up a bit. Cool. Now you got legs. So next off, let's add a cube. And let's drag this up on the Z axis, scale down so we get the little face, and there you go. Let's go into edit mode. Actually, so what we need to do, as you can see, we just mess with the scale. So we need to Control A. Well, I'll show you. So if we do this is messed up. If we say Control A, scale, doesn't actually do a thing. Never mind. Okay. Scale doesn't mess with the subdivision surface modifier, but it can mess with other stuff. So yeah. So let's add a mirror modifier. Drag this in. Add a mirror. And let's drag this up to the top. And there you go. Just select clipping. And when you do clipping, if you have the middle ones, they can't separate from the middle. So that's quite useful when you want to keep a symmetrical object. Cool. So let's add an edge loop in the middle, drag it out, and then do it in like that. And then select these two and go G, double press G, and there you go. So now you got the little face thing. Cool. So let's add another cube. And drag it into there. It's like a little backpack type thing. There you go. Control 3. And then let's go Shift E to drag it in. Mirror modifier. Delete. Mirror. And then let's curve it to the back. Add another edge loop. Select these two G. There you go. Well, actually, there you go. There you go. Cool. So now we've got basically the whole Among Us character. If you guys want to mess around with this one. Cool, that's a bit better. Cool. So let's drag all of this. Let's go Shift D and move to a new collection, and let's name this collection hidden. Cool. Hard that, deselect all of them. Let's hard that's the thing up in your scene collection. So let's get all of these, select one of them, Control A, and see visual geometry to mesh, and that will apply all the modifiers on all of these. So then we can Control J, so now they're all one mesh. Cool. So let's go Control Tab and sculpt mode. Let's go to remesh and remesh it. Nope, let's set to 0.05. Okay, my numpad is off. 0.05. Nah, it's a little bit too low. Let's go 0.02. Remesh. Okay, cool. Just want to double check. Okay, not too high poly. So let's go shift to smooth. It's gonna apply the scale. And so it's basically just smoothing out this entire thing. And then we can also fix anything that we don't like. So like I'd like to make this line in between the mask a bit more defined. I'm just using a mouse for this. A mouse works perfectly fine, but if you do have a digital tablet, they'll probably work a lot better. Like I have one, it's in the cupboard somewhere. So you just need to get that out. Okay, cool. So there you go. We have this little cute Among Us character. And let's move on. Well, first off, let's just save it as Among Us. Cool. So let's add a plane. And let's put it over here. Okay, cool. So first off, add a mirror modifier, then a subdivision surface modifier, and then a shrink wrap modifier. So as you can see, so now we have this. So first off, Control R, that's in half, vertices. So select clipping on the mirror modifier, we don't need that. Then simple, close that, and then shrink wrap. So select this object here. Cool. So let's add a material. Go down to viewport viewport display. Set this to orange or something, and then go up to clipping. Snap to and face, and then we're going to select it to on. So let's just do this here quickly, and then mirror. Let's go back to modifiers. We'll put that on, and then select the snap mode to outside surface and drag the offset up a little bit. Cool. So let's actually go back here and set the roughness to 1. So I think it looks a bit nicer. So this is just going to be the normal topology. If you want a in-depth guide, let me know, and I will see if I can make a tutorial on that. So it's just E to extrude and then F to fold. So yeah, wait, I'm pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I thought I just added another face there. Actually, I'm going to set this subrevision to Catmull Clark, which is just a smooth version of it. Cool. So we're just going to extrude. It's going to lay down a few lines. Let's go M at center. Then we can do this. F, F. So we basically just fill in the whole mesh with better topology. So there you go. Select it. And there you go. So let's select this, drag it up, F, drag up, and then cool, there. So let's drag this over, and let's drag that over as well. So let's make this face here. F, drag this over. F, M at last. Cool. So now I'm just filling in this head gap. There. Select this one, drag it over, and then F. Select this, F. So there you go. You got some quite nice clean topology. And yep. So then let's do this little backpack thing. As you can see on the top, we have 1, 2, 3. We always need 1, 2, 3. So let's drag this up here. Then drag this here. Drag. Extrude. I feel like I'm going to say extrude and F a lot in this video. Extrude here. So we just fill all of these. Cool. So now fill this in. And there you go. Now the backpack part is done. Just mess with these a little bit. Okay, cool. So now we have a little backpack. So let's move on to the legs. So let's start making this little, fill in the gaps to make the leg topology, because we need the circle around the leg to see how many vertices we can make before we actually start making the leg. So I think that should be enough. Actually, let's add another one in the middle. Oh, no, that didn't work. Actually, we need to just mirror this side. So we drag this out. And then let's say this is the middle. So we need 1, 2, 3 there, 3. So I need 3 faces. So you have this one. Yeah, and then you have the thing on the outside. What to make, you need to. Okay, so this one. Okay. Okay, so come back late. So you actually need to add lots of vertex. Okay, so if we're working on this one in the middle, go into this one in the middle. Let's add some here. Okay, I think that's enough though. So you have got all these, so let's. Okay. Cool. So now let's do this. This is yours. Cool, then you have the entire character. Let's have that little character. Actually, yeah, this is 6. Okay, all these. And let's add another. Now, that should look, yeah. Cool. So let's add another symbol, so it's obvious this symbol out. Let's use this key. Okay, so shift N to locate normals that retain things that doesn't good. So let's select these and shift E. Yeah. Let's just do add up corners. And then after up here. Just like that. Okay, cool, that's nice. And then we'll probably make another video on how to texture the character. So stay tuned for that, and then I'm going to need another little edge loop here. And that should fix it all. Okay, cool. There. Now we have clean topology on the feet. And it should look better. Cool. So let's add actually another subdivision surface after this to smooth it all out. Actually, it's just quickly. Okay, so shift N to recalculate the normals. That removes any things that doesn't look good. This is going to select these quickly and shift E. And this just to tighten up corners. Okay, cool. And maybe even on the outside here. Maybe just a tad, but yeah. Okay, cool. That looks nice. And there you go. This is how you make a little Among Us character. I will probably make another video on how to texture this character. So stay tuned for that and let me know down below if you need it.